Namaste. Here is a problem. Two equal and similar charges, radius 0.03 meter apart in air, repel each other with a force of 4.5 kilogram force. Find the charge in coulomb. Force is given 4.5 kgf. Then 1 kgf is equal to 1 kgf is equal to 9.8 Newton. Then 4.5 kgf is equal to 4.5 into 9.8 Newton. Okay, 4.5 into 9.8 Newton. Then radius is equal to 0.03 meter. Okay, then similar charge Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to Q. From Coulomb's law, force is equal to K dielectric constant Q1 into Q2 divided by R square. Then 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into Q divided by R square. Then we know this value 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Q square divided by R square. Then force is equal to, we know the force 4.5 into 9.8 Newton is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 Q square divided by 0.03 whole square. Then we multiply 4.5 into 9.8 into 0.03 whole square, and when we Q square take on left side, then Q square is equal to 4.5 into 9.8 into 0.03 whole square whole divided by 9 into 10 to the power 9. Then 4.5 is equal to 45 by 10, 9.8 is equal to 98 by 10, and 3 by 100 into 3 by 100. Then 45 into 98 into 3 into 3 divided by 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 into 10 into 100 into 100. Okay, then okay, then 9 will be cancelled, and then 98 9, yeah, Okay, 882 divided by 2 into 10 to the power 14 is equal to 441 divided by 10 to the power 14 is equal to 21 divided by 10 to the power 7 is equal to 21 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. This will be the answer. Two equal and similar charges of 0.03 meter apart in air repel each other with a force of 4.5 kgf. Find the charge in coulomb, that is 21 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb will be the answer. Thank you. Namaste.